Hello there. If you clicked on this video, you want a couple of tips that'll help increase your chances of catching fish when you're streamer fishing. I'm going to give you two very important tips. One is that you always want to have contact with the fly line because you never know when that fish is going to go blast your streamer, right? If you don't always have contact with your fly line, you're going to miss that strike. So with your rod hand, your casting hand, notice that my index finger, it kind of acts like a guide, right? I'm always running the line over that finger because inevitably the stripping hand, right, you're going to let go of the fly line just briefly, and it's inevitable, right? As soon as you let go, that's when the fish are going to smash it. So your index finger on your rod hand could stop the line and hopefully keep that fish on if it strikes when your other hand is not holding the line because it's in the middle of a strip. Next is you want to strip set. Now this happens very fast. If you trout set, which means pull your rod away or up, you're going to lose a lot of fish that way. You'll have some hookups, but you're going to lose a lot of fish if you trout set. Strip set, and what that means, as soon as you feel that fish blast it, just give it a big yank. Try to set that hook in the fish's mouth, and as soon as you feel like you got a really positive connection, then you raise your rod up. It happens very fast, but when you're stripping, pull real hard to drive that streamer into the fish's face, and then raise your rod and start playing the fish. You see there's like a log or something down there. Let's see if they care between white and yellow. Nope, there's one right there. Just came up right and grabbed it. Look at that. They just are crazy. I'm glad they don't give a shit about white and yellow. Yeah, that's a good fish. Jeez. These must be like little baby steelhead. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that is a solid fish. Nice. This is where I catch a fish. Nice. We're about ready to smash into a dock. It's a good sized fish. Ah, just like he fell off. Nice. Nice, easy. I know people are going to be asking about that right there. So I'm going to make sure they know that we found that floating in the water and picked it up. Oh, god dang it. I lost the handle again. Okay, quick pro tip. Close the loop with your finger. And that way you won't lose the handle on it and lose a strike like what just happened right there. Starting tomorrow, it'll be dark by now. I don't like that. Ooh, you see the fish rise? I'd motor over there, but they are in the vicinity. Oh, son of a bitch. Ooh, bite. There we go. Nice. Oh, shit. Dang. Oh, right there. Nice. Just right by the boat. That's crazy.
I saw him right behind. I was paused it and saw him swipe.
Good fish. Nice. Yeah, it's a nice fish. Oh no! I tried. As soon as I thought you were done, and I was like, oh no. And I tried to sneak it by. It did not work. I think it's probably pretty easy. Maybe not. No. No. It's pretty cool when you can see him take it too. Oh man. Oh, right here. I was just getting ready to cast. Oh, he's under the boat. I was just picking it up to cast it again. Jeez. Boy, he's got some power. Yeah, these guys got some spunk. Jeez. Nice. Nice fish. Look at that, already hit. Jeez, come on. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. There we go. Oh! Oh, he broke me off. Oh, fuck. Broke me off. Yes. First cast. There it is. Yeah! Nice. As soon as the rain started. Nice. Wasn't as big as the other one, but not complaining. Oh my. See that one hit it? Oh, right here again, right by the boat. Little guy. It's like they must follow it all the way in. And right at the end, they're like, give me that thing. All right. Hope those two things help you catch more fish when streamer fishing. And if you want a little more in depth, a little more knowledge about streamer fishing, check out this video right here. I think it's about 6 minutes long, and I promise you, you'll up your streamer game. All right, everybody. Till the next time, fish on.